Assalamualaikum and greetings to everyone. I'm Farah Asyiqin from International Islamic University Malaysia, and I'm going to present about an investigation on cost-effective approaches for the Pusu River rehabilitation. The study was based on the rivers in AUM Gombak campus area, which is Pusu River. Generally, Pusu River has two tributaries, namely Anak Sungai Pusu and Batang Sungai Pusu. The total catchment area of Pusu River that flows through the IUM Gombak campus area is estimated to be 12 square kilometer. Furthermore, the Pusu River is said to be contributed to the Gombak River, and then it will be joined with other rivers to form the main Kelang River. For years, Pusu River and its tributaries that flow through the IUM Gombak campus have been suffering from river pollution. It has been noted that the pollution is the result of land exploitation near the rivers. This simultaneously caused in high turbidity and sediment content of the river, which also has changed the physical character of the river. Even though the rivers in IUM today are not being used for consumption or water-based activities, but there is some interdependence between the university community and the rivers. There are riverside sitting areas, crossing bridges, and also IUM's international status. Due to this reason, it is believed that these rivers have the potential to be graded up and rehabilitated. Consequently, a study to identify and propose cost-effective approaches to rehabilitate the Pusu River was carried out. And the objective of the study are, first, to study the river rehabilitation methods, and secondly, to propose the cost-effective approaches to rehabilitate the Pusu River. According to the authors, rehabilitation implies the same cost as restoration, which is an act of restoring the ecosystem to its pre-disturbed natural condition. However, because the ecosystem can't be restored completely, these actions are more accurately to be conveyed as rehabilitation. Based on the literature, there are various methods to rehabilitate the river. The methods are sediment dredging, aquatic plants, a hard approach of riverbank protection, a softer approach of riverbank protection, and also effective microorganisms. The study employed Delphi approach as the method to gather the primary data, while the descriptive group statistical analysis was used for the data analysis. According to the Delphi study, all of the river rehabilitation approaches that were obtained from the literature review were considered to be appropriate for the rehabilitation of Pusu River. It can be said that using the aquatic plants is considered as the most cost-effective approach, while the hard approach of riverbank protection is perceived as the least cost-effective approach. From the result, it also can be noted that approaches that involve landscaping and soft engineering element were voted to be most cost-effective approaches. Thus, the top 3 cost-effective approaches are the usage of aquatic plants, the softer approach of riverbank protections, and also the sediment dredging. And these 3 approaches would be regarded as the top priority approaches to be proposed for the rehabilitation of Pusu River. Another important point that raised by the panelists is that these approaches should be integrated because one approach will not be able to solve the problem completely. To conclude, the river rehabilitation is regarded as one of the primary efforts to address the pollution of Pusu River, and this paper has presented the findings on the cost-effective approaches for the rehabilitation of Pusu River based on the results from the Delphi study and literature review. And that's all. Thank you.